Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to run the function that is I've put on Moodle for you. Okay, so you can see here that the function consists of an output argument, the area, the name of the function, in this case trap6, and some input arguments. Okay, doesn't matter whether you get the spaces between the input arguments or not. The main thing is that they're separated by commas. Okay, so if I go to the command line to run this function, first of all I need to set up the vectors x and y. So to set up a vector in the command line, I can just type this. So that's my x values. So note these values are separated by spaces, not commas, and the square brackets on each side. Let's set up my y vector. So let's say my y values are the cubes of the x values. So I've got 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. And so now I can call my function with those input arguments if I also specify a and b. A and b you can see are the limits of the integration. So I can write the name of the variable I want to save the output of the function in. Let's call it Steve equals trap6. Specify the input argument x, y, and the limits of the integration. So let's say this is 1.5 and 3.5. If I hit return, the function plots the graph of the y values against the x values just for information, and it returns the value 84.25, and that's the area of this curve between 1.5 and 3.5.